This morning, Ahmed's car had 26.29 gallons of fuel. Now 1.7 gallons are left. How much fuel did Ahmed use? So he had 26.29 and now there's only 1.7 left. So the question is, what type of problem is this? Is it addition or subtraction? Well, think about it. We're trying to calculate how much he used. It's essentially the difference between what he started with and 1.7. So this is a subtraction problem, so we're going to subtract. Once we made that determination, now we follow the steps that we learned before. Again, we don't have anything here. We want to match up all the digits, so I'm going to just add a 0. And now we're good to go. 9 minus 0 is simply 9. We can't do 2 minus 7, so we're going to borrow 1 from the 6. Now we got 12 minus 7 is 5. Don't forget the dot. The dots must be lined up. Then 5 minus 1 is 4, and 2 minus nothing is 2, and we got 24.59.